Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling cached exchange mode so Outlook stores a local OSD copy. This is what lets you read and write offline. Open File Account Settings, select the account, choose Change, then check Cached Exchange Mode and restart Outlook. Once done, make sure you have adequate disk space and that your account is Exchange or Office 365. POP may not use OSD. These steps create the local cache you'll sync later and avoid surprises when you switch offline. Next, configure what actually downloads so offline behavior matches your needs. Go to Send/Receive settings and define a group for the account, set automatic intervals or manual sync. For large mailboxes, choose download headers only to save space or full items for attachments you need offline. Also, pick the folders to cache Inbox, Sent, Calendars, while excluding bulky folders. Once set, force a manual Send/Receive to populate the OSD, so you'll have the content available when you go offline. Finally, switch Outlook to work offline to confirm behavior. You should still open cached mail, create new messages, and move items. Those changes queue an outbox until you reconnect. Once back online, click Send/Receive to push queued actions and resolve any conflicts. Make sure calendars and contacts also sync. If something goes wrong, rebuild the OSD or verify credentials and network. This single troubleshooting step often fixes mismatched caches and sync errors, so your offline experience becomes reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.